Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all will be fine. And guys, welcome back again to my channel, and my today's video is about especially for those people who really like photography, and especially they want to capture their photos with wild animals, and in his real life they can't do it, but from this trick they can also capture their photos with wild animals at their place or at any place at any time. As you can see, me made this video just for the sake of demonstration, and we can make it better. Even we can capture the videos better than that. We can also resize our requisite animals accordingly. So this is a really interesting. You have to try this at home, especially in these lockdown days. It's a really good practice to spend time with your child. Keep watching this video. I hope you must like this video. But before starting my video, my humble request to my new viewers, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get notification about my upcoming videos. So guys, without wasting time, let's start our video. So to capture your videos or pictures with wild animals and any type of animals, first you have to open your Google Chrome browser, and then right here Google Animals. As you can see, there are lots of Google Animals available here, and these are all 3D animals, and you can use them at your place for capturing photos or videos with them. So let me start from bears, and as you can see it, view in 3D. Just click on it, view in 3D. It will take 10 to 15 seconds for loading, and as you can see, and just click on view in your space. Click on view in your space, and here it is. Now you can place. Yes, that's it. Now this is looking pretty real. This is place it on my bed, and it's looking pretty real, as you can see, and you can capture your photo just standing with them, and you can also capture a video to be with them. So it's a pretty handy option, and you can surprise your friends and your child as well. So lots of other animals are also available. Let me show you. You can try different one also. Horse, penguin, sharks, anything else you can try. So guys, for this, if your mobile can't do this, you just need to check that the requisite application is installed on your phone or not. For checking this, just went to the Google Play Store, and here you just check that Google Play services are installed at your cell phone or not. Let me show you. This is Google Play services. This must be installed in your cell phone, then the Google 3D model will work on your cell phone. So guys, this was my today's video. I hope you must like it. If you like this video, please press the like button and share with friends. If you have any question and query about this video, or if you facing any problem that this model is not running at your cell phone, you can also comment me. I will guide you that how you can run on your cell phone. So keep watching my next videos too. Thanks for watching this video. So see you till the next video. Take care. Bye bye.